Ladies and ladies, welcome back to my bedroom. Well, jokes aside, it's actually my bedroom where the real bits shine and, well, everything's a mess. The table was a bit too full today. Anyways, back to the machine. I usually keep my machine covered in aluminium chips, mostly to remind me of what it's capable of doing. And what it's capable of doing is this. Just look at the finish. I mean, it's not perfect, but it looks alright. Right? Anyways, as it is right now, this machine has barely a fighting chance against aluminum. X and Y are pretty darn strong, but for Z, the Z axis, I was using one of those pre-assembled Z V-wheel, whatever they call it. That's okay, sorry, I have too much fun. Anyways, that thing sucks. No rigidity at all. And if you think about it, there is only 4 screws. There's 4 wheels inside this C section, the C beam like this, and then there's only 4 wheels. So there's 4 screws that are supporting those wheels. And if you think about it, a screw it's not meant to take tension like this. It's just not the right tool for the job, if you know what I mean. So I'm replacing this whole thing with something very, very similar, but much better. How do I get to it? Over here? Over here. Yeah, it's falling apart. It's not gonna come back together unless I use my 2 hands in one. 2 hands in one. There we go. Is it? Crap. Anyways, you get the idea. You get the idea. This is another C-beam, very similar to what's installed there. It's gonna be mounted in the same place. It is a bit higher, mostly because these things are higher than the plate that's in there. And, well, you know what these are, right? Linear rails, rigid as rock, rigid as rig, and a bit on the expensive side. But I really did want this machine to do better than this, you know? Ew. Anyways, that was just a quick update. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm having fun with my projects. Yeah, I'm gonna saw off this tiny end here. And there's also a lead screw somewhere that needs to be cut to size. And then we're going to assemble the whole thing. It's gonna be awesome. Frame.